Well, welcome back to Echo Travel Adventures. We have another Kawaii Club unboxing to do. Guys, we are so thrilled.
But if you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Merry Christmas from our YouTube room.
Yes.
If you can please share with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit subscribe. What else?
Hit the bell notification because you will be notified whenever we do post a video, which currently is Tuesdays and Thursdays, and maybe every once in a while we'll take some sprinkles out and we'll sprinkle in a video too.
You never know, so you have to hit all.
You do. We're so thrilled because we have yet another Tokyo Kawaii Club box. Well, it's not really a box.
I mean, it's pretty packed this time.
It is.
I'm excited.
We are both excited.
Oh, both of us.
So if you have never heard of Tokyo Kawaii Club, well, let us tell you what it is. Tokyo Kawaii Club is a subscription-based website. Everything will be linked down in the description down below. But what you can do is you can subscribe to them. His name is Michael. He will coordinate with you to find out what your likes are and what your favorite characters are. And then he'll go to Tokyo Disney, Tokyo Disney Sea, and Tokyo Store, Disney Store, and get merch from Tokyo for you.
Mm-hmm. You could also pay a little bit extra for expedited shipping, which is what we do. So we pay about $60-ish a month, and we get them like every couple weeks, which is pretty cool. So if you want that, definitely do it. And especially now for Christmas coming up, if you want to try it out for a month, do it. Try it. Give it as a gift.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Birthday's coming up. Or like I said, like a little trial.
Yeah, and if you don't want to do the subscription, he does have other merch that you can buy by itself. So it's really great. I mean, this program, this was a lifesaver for us during COVID. I mean, again, give us something to do, something to look forward to, because 2020, let's just be honest here, has been a mess for everybody.
And also, he has FOMO products, which aren't in the boxing. So they're all separate and you get to see what they look like. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more because of shipping as well. So keep that in mind. They are coming from Tokyo, Japan.
They are. So without further ado, it is my turn. Yes!
And we have scissors. Scissors. No? Oh, I was going to show it off.
I'm trying not to peek.
It's in the bag.
It's a huge bag of goodies.
Yeah, you can hear it. Wow.
And it's the same bag as before, but it's a little bit bigger. We're super thrilled. Let's see here.
Whoa, my goodness.
It is, I'm just going to take it out of the box. It is a Trick or Treat Tupperware. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty cool.
We're trying out a new thing where we're using two cameras.
No.
Uh-oh, it's broken. Oh no. I wonder if we can find some glue or something for it. If you know of any glue that is dishwasher, well, probably not dishwasher safe, but maybe microwavable safe, maybe, let us know, because boo.
Yeah, it's okay though.
Oh, look at that. But it's super cute though.
Yeah.
All the characters.
And it's Vampire Mickey and Witch Minnie. I love it.
Ah.
So, you remember when you were thinking of, I need something to take to work to give me hydration?
Yeah, I was thinking that. I mean. Oh my goodness, it matches the little coaster.
I know. Guys, you gotta look at this thing. This thing is a water bottle. And it has
My Chip and Dale. And you guys, I'm wearing a shirt. I finally found a shirt at Disney Springs.
This is really cool.
It was at Disney Style. It was like 35 bucks, I think.
Yeah. Oh, you can put straw in.
See, but I can't put it on my hook though. But I can still take it like when we go to the parks. Could fill it up with water. They're super cute. Oh, that's so adorable. Eek! Look how cute they are. So adorable.
I peeked. I did. You're going to need this.
Uh-oh.
So,
oh, no!
First thing...
You gave me this.
Because she needs a matching set. Look at this, guys. It is.
Oh my god.
It is Chip.
Look at how cute they are. Oh, that's so cute.
It's Chip as a kite.
I was hoping for Chip too because I just saw that we had just Dale. So it works out.
And we also have Mickey as a kite. And I think we have Minnie somewhere.
Yeah, Minnie's in her kimono. But look at my buddies.
We have a matching set now.
Oh no. Look how cute they are, you guys.
They're so cool. I have no idea what this is, but it's wrapped for Christmas.
Look at the packaging.
It's so cool. And they have little bows that are keeping the thing cut. No, it's so cool. I think it's food. Yeah, I think it's food.
Okay, so
we shall open it.
you guys, look at, you can keep these.
So, this is what's inside. And it is heart-shaped cookies. They look cool. They're really soft.
A chocolate.
I'll keep these for later. Is it good? They look like, they're probably like pandas.
It's different. It's good though.
And to add to our stationery with Mickey and Minnie kimono, we got a little sticky. Look at that.
Keep it still. Oh, there.
It says Mickey Mouse and it's Mickey.
And the little Post-its. Oh, they're purple. They're purple.
They're really cool. I like them.
They're super cool. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things.
And our awesome note, you the best, Michael.
Did you show the note?
This is what it looks like. So every package comes with a handwritten note. Something simple like that. Words of encouragement. Last and certainly not least, we have Ariel, or Little Mermaid. Let's open it and see what it is.
Oh.
I know, the package. Okay, let's just be honest here. The packaging was so amazing. Like, you
So
don't
cool. I wonder if you're supposed to open it the other way. You're not showing them how you're opening it.
No. And there's a little package.
Oh, is it like for your phone?
We'll find out. It is for your phone. And it says, wow, just look at this.
Isn't
I think
it
it's in
neat?
the shipwreck.
Don't you think my collection's complete? Say so. There.
That's so cool. And like I said, their phone cases over there, they have like little little hooks and stuff that you can put. And then you can put the loops in and all that kind of
But
stuff.
I bet you, even with the cases now for like iPhone, you can just put it in the case and loop it that way.
Yeah. The packaging was really cool.
Oh, and flounders on it.
Yeah. I like the packaging. The packaging was really cool.
Oh, these do okay. So these, it stretches.
Nice.
So it does help out. And the flounder is also there. And then the back.
So, on this packaging, it says Little Mermaid 30 years.
Oh my gosh, we're old. Oh my.
Little Mermaid's been out for 30 years. Put that in perspective on how old you are now.
I'm only 35.
She's old.
You were telling people you were 35, but you're gonna be 37.
Well, guys, it was. Comment down below if you guys like this 2-camera setup.
Yeah, if you guys like it a lot better, because I know we're trying to show it on this camera as well as this camera, but we're trying to do to where you can actually see it, because I don't think you guys were able to see a lot of the stuff.
And we can't hit the screen to focus in on stuff because it's so far away. Mm-hmm. So if you like the 2-camera thing, that's awesome, because we'll do it next time. Yeah,
let us know. We like seeing those likes on those comments, and we want to start discussion in those comments with you guys, our fan bam, and with each other. Let's keep it going, especially now for the holidays. It can get a little lonely for people, especially now with COVID and being stuck at home.
Yeah.
So let's try to keep each other company. Let's keep it friendly, because we are the fan band. Let's keep it upbeat and stay positive with everything.
Absolutely. Because, you know, you gotta love Disney. You gotta love Tokyo Disney. Mm-hmm. It's just the stuff that they come up with. It's so amazing. Like some of the stuff that I would never have thunk of. I mean, made this into a bow. I dropped it. Like making wrapping paper of cookies, and you know what I mean. It's,
or like giving it to neighbors, or even using it for like a Christmas present decoration, or on your Christmas tree.
Oh yeah.
Cause look, it'll go on there. Like it'll hook. See how it hooks?
It's cool.
See how it hooks? You'll probably be able to like hook it through the Christmas tree there, but then there's also like a part.
Yeah.
There's nothing in the back.
Yeah. But guys, you know, if you made it this far, we hope that this one was a little more intimate. I think I kind of like the 2-camera because that way it lets you guys see it more close up.
I think it's more interactive with you guys too, instead of just saying, "Hey, look," and shoving it in the camera.
And it never focuses.
And you can't see anything. So we apologize for that. We did get some messages and stuff. So if you guys have any ideas, let us know.
Yeah.
We're open to it and to try new things.
We are. But guys, thank you so much for checking us out, checking this unboxing out. We really do enjoy we really do enjoy getting these boxes, because you just never know what you're getting. You know, he doesn't give you a shipping list. He doesn't tell you what you're getting. You know, unless you know specifically what you ordered, you don't know.
Like the FOMO products.
Yeah, I mean.
But if you order anything, just tell them that Brian and Amber from Echo Travel Adventures sent you. We're not getting any kickbacks. I know we say it in every video, but we just want to make that clear. We pay for everything on our own, but we just want to try to get them some more business. Yeah, for sure. We want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, or whatever holiday you spend with your family. We really hope that you all enjoy everything, and we hope that your season this year was brighter than the whole entire year combined, because 2020 has been a mess. Looking forward to 21. We are. We passed 21 a long time ago. No, 2021. There you go. Alright guys, thank you so much, and we will see you guys next time. Bye guys.